Conclusions. There are two parts to your conclusion. The first part is step 1, to restate your thesis and topic sentences in new wording. Those are to remind your reader of your main points, but not in a repetitive way. The second step, which should be the majority of your conclusion, is to globalize your message. That means to take what you said in your project and expand it to have greater meaning or greater significance to give the reader a final important message to think about. So some questions you might want to answer while writing your globalization are things such as, why does it matter? Where do we go from here? How should we think about it in a larger context? And what does your topic relate to in the bigger picture? You should pick the one that really fits your topic best. There are other ideas to go with as well, but really you need to really explain how your topic has importance or meaning or significance and why your reader should take something away from what you wrote. So let's go through a sample to see how this looks. First, for the restatement, here are original thesis and topic sentences for my sample on the worst pandemic ever. So you see my thesis, topic sentence 1, and topic sentence 2. Now I want to restate those points without using the exact same wording. It's easy to combine them, as you will see here in a restatement. Due to its high mortality rate and impact on healthy individuals, the influenza of 1918 was the worst pandemic in history. So I took the claims from topic sentence 1 and 2, I combined them into one phrase, and then I included the main claim from the thesis in there as well in different wording. So it's that simple. It doesn't need to be complex. Just restate those main points in your thesis. Then looking at globalizing, for this particular sample, I'm going to take the approach, why does it matter? Why does the topic matter? So here's what I'm going to say about it. Understanding which pandemics were the worst is important for preparing for the future. So it matters for the future. When the situation is the most dire and resources are stretched to the breaking point, we need to be able to see what worked and what did not in the past. Society needs to expect the best but prepare for the worst. So basically it matters because we need to learn the lessons of previous pandemics to be able to prepare for future pandemics. And only by studying the worst can we really prepare for any possible situation. So that's the idea for this particular globalization. But again, there are lots of different ways you can go with it. You just need to say something new, something you have not previously brought up in your paper, a larger point, a broader meaning.